If the red notification badge on your iPhone settings app is not going away, don't worry. This quick tutorial will help you fix it. First, open the Settings app, then tap on General and go to Software Update. Check if there are any pending updates or available software updates. Sometimes the settings notification badge appears because automatic software updates, Apple ID verification, or setup options are incomplete. If you see any pending update or setup requests, follow the on-screen instructions and complete it first. Now, if the notification badge still doesn't disappear, here's the next fix. Open Settings and tap on your Apple ID banner at the top. Scroll down and tap Sign Out. If you don't see it on my device, that's because I'm using an older version, but you should be able to see it on your screen. Also, make sure you don't select any option that erases your data from the iPhone. After signing out, restart your iPhone completely. Once the device turns back on, go to Settings again and sign back into your Apple ID. This refreshes iCloud and Apple account syncing, which often removes the stuck Settings app notification badge. If the issue still continues, try force restarting your iPhone. Quickly press and release the volume up button, then press and release the volume down button. After that, press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once the logo appears, release the button and let your iPhone restart normally. After the restart, the settings notification badge should be gone. If this video helped you fix the settings app notification badge issue on iPhone, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone troubleshooting tutorials.